Miss Ma'am and all our teachers and my dear friend. First of all, good morning to all of you.
Great morning, Samiksha.
Myself Samiksha from Gate Competency class. Today I am here in the front of you for masking the concept, and my wonderful topic is exponent and power from the subject math. What is my subject?
Math.
Subject math. And my topic exponent and power. Exponent and power. Firstly, today I will tell you about the exponent. If any number raised to the power x, tell how many times the base is multiplied. Have you understand? Repeat with me. If any number
If any number
raised to the power x,
raised to the power x,
tell how many times
then how many times
base is multiplied.
base is multiplied?
Example. In a raised to the power n. In this, a is base and m is exponent. 2 raised to the power 3. In this, 2 is a base and 3 is a exponent. This 3 times how many times base is multiplied? 2 multiplied 3 times, so that 8 will come. Now about power. In 2 raised to the power x, 10. 2 is a base and x is a exponent. This whole is called power. In 2 raised to the power x, 2 is a base and x is a exponent. And this whole is called
Power.
power. Now about the laws of exponent. There are 8 laws of exponent. Laws of exponent. How many laws of exponent are there? 8. First law. If a raised to the power m multiply a raised to the power m is equal to a raised to the power m plus n. In this, a is a base and m is a exponent. A is base and n is exponent. You see, their base is same, but the exponent is different. In between, there is a sign of multiplication. So we do addition in the exponent. Example: 2 raised to the power 3 multiply 2 raised to the power 2 is equal to. In this, base is same, but the exponent is different. So we do addition. इसको 2 raised to the power 5. Answer. Now about the second law. 2 raised to the power a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m minus n. You can see that base is same, but the exponent are different. In between there is a sign of division. So we do subtraction in the exponent. Example: 2 raised to the power 3 divided by 2 raised to the power 2 is equal to 2 raised to the power 3 minus 2 is equal to 2 raised to the power 1 is the answer. Now about the third law. A raised to the power m bracket n is equal to a raised to the power m n. In this, we can see that there is a bracket between the exponents. So we do multiplication in exponent. multiply by 2 is equal to 6. Now fourth law. A raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. That we already know. If any number raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. With the help of example. 2 raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. Have you understand it? Now about fifth law. A raised to the power m multiply b raised to the power m. In this we see that exponent is same but the base is different in between sign of multiplication. So we do the multiplication of base, not of exponent. We do a b raised to the power m. Example 2 raised to the power 3 multiply 3 raised to the power 3 is equal to 3 to the 6 and raised to the power 3 is the answer. What we do in this? We multiply this base and take exponent common. Now about 6th. If a raised to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 by a. If any number raised to the power minus 1 in the negative form, so we do the reciprocal of this. Example 2 raised to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2 raised to the power 1 is the answer. What we do in this? In this, the base raised to the power is 90. So we do the reciprocal of this. Have you understand?
Yes.
Now about seventh. A raised to the power m divided by b raised to the power m. In between we can see that sign of division is a by b divided by m. Example 2 raised to the power 3 divided by 3 raised to the power 3 is equal to 2 by 3. We take exponent common, that is 3 is the answer. Now about 8th law. A raised to the power m multiply ab raised to the power m is equal to a multiply m multiply b raised to the power m is the answer. Example 2 multiply 3, that whole is 3. 2 raised to the power 3 multiply 3 raised to the power 3 is the answer. I hope you will understand it. May I ask question now? See, stand up. A raised to the power 0 is equal to? Right, sit down. Dipanshu, stand up. A raised to the power